welcome to the next set of trig that's going to make you super happy, super excited. So last class we learned that with a right triangle, if we're given enough information, angle on two sides, or, whatever, we can use SOHCAHTOA to figure out all the other information. So now what if we don't have a right triangle? This is where we are going to come into the law of sine. So the law of sine simply states that side A over the sine of A is equal to B over the sine of B, which is equal to C over the sine of C. So it's a proportion, all right? So if I look here, they want side AC, all right? That's what they're looking for, side AC. Well, here's side AC, but hey, I don't have enough information to just, add it up and see what happens or anything like that. So I'm going to use the law of sine. So if I look at the law of sine, it says, all right, I do have 22 degrees. All right, so question mark over the sine of 22, okay, is equal to 24 over the sine of 40. Now, how did I get 40? All right. Well, here's 24, and right here is the angle that's in relationship. Remember, the side is always opposite the angle. So, in this case, I just added up 118 and 22, which got me 140. 180 minus 140 gives us 40 degrees, okay? So now I'm simply going to put this in my calculator, and I'll do it. I suggest you do it too. I'm going to say, remember, this is a proportion, so I'm just going to bring that up top, and I'm going to say the sine of 22 times 24 divided by the sine of 40 equals 13.98. It says to round to the nearest tenth, so it's going to give us AC is equal to 14. All right? Super easy, super simple. Just have to set up the proportion right. Okay? AC is equal to 14. All right, let's go on. And we'll look at another one. All right, so let's look at number 3 here. Number 3, okay? Same type of thing, okay? I'm looking for side BC, all right? And that matches up with the 39 degrees. So I'm going to say BC over the sine of 39 degrees is equal to, I got it known, 27 over, all right, 39 and 51, that is, hold on, 90. Well, 90. So the sine of 90. All right. And I'll go back my calculator. Should do it too. Sine of 39 times 27. Because remember, we're bringing it up top. Divided by the sine of 90. And that's going to give me 17. And let's see what the good old answer key says. 17. There we go. Sweet. We are on a roll. All right. So now let's look at something a little bit different. And it says number 8. Number 8 says find angle C. All right, so we see that we have A over sine of A, B over sine of B, and C over sine of C. This can also be written as the sine of A over A equals sine of B over B equals the sine of C over C. So either way I write it. Now, why would I want to change the way that I write this? Well, it's easier to just, I guess, I always like having the variable on top. So if I'm looking for an angle, having that variable on top like that really helps me. Then I don't have to deal with those extra steps to get everything shifted and moved. I just start out that way. Just start out on top and take it from there. So if we look at number 8, okay, so we're going to look for angle C. So I'm going to put sine of C. And remember, we do have corresponding 26. Okay. Nope. Sorry. 6, not 26. Sorry, there we go. Is equal to, I'm going to do sine of 103. And let's see, 26 would be the corresponding sine. All right, so now remember, now that I'm looking for an angle, when I plug this in, I'm going to use arcsine to find my actual angle. All right, so I'm going to do 6 times the sine of 103 divided by 26. All right, so my answer right there is 0.22485,436, but I'm going to arcsine it. So, and that gives me 13 degrees. So it's 13 degrees. All right. So if I come down here, let's check my handy dandy. Yep, 13 degrees. There it is. All right, so that is all. That is all there is to this. Do not overthink this. Just set up is the key. If you set it up right, you're going to be fine. In the case of these, like 11, you just need to draw a triangle. It doesn't matter what the triangle looks like. Obviously, look at that thing. So angle A is 70 degrees. And see how we have a side A? So it's got to be opposite that, 25. And then it says side C is 26. Choose a side. All right. And what it wants you to do is just figure out the rest of the triangle. So SOHCAHTOA it, and voila, you will be done. All right. Don't worry about 19 through 24. That's not even, doesn't matter. And same with 25, 26, 27, 28. Okay. All right. And that's it, man. So just work on this week. And then next week we'll do law cosines and we'll all be merry. Thanks. Have a great day.